Samsung Galaxy S10 probably won't be the foldable iPhone X killer you were hoping for. The Samsung Galaxy S10, the successor to the Galaxy S9, might not be the foldable next-generation smartphone we'd heard rumors of, according to sources close the matter. Samsung has purportedly finalised the design of its next flagship entry in the Galaxy S series. And it might not be the folding, dual-screen handset the company had hinted it would be. According to the latest rumours from Korean publication The Bell, the Galaxy S10 will look pretty much the same as its predecessor. That's surprising for two reasons. First, the Galaxy S9 was very similar to the Galaxy S8, and some sources suggest this has caused poor sales, as consumers don't feel the need to upgrade to the latest handset. Secondly, the Galaxy S10 will mark the 10th anniversary handset of the series, so it seems like an ideal time to debut a major redesign, like Apple did with its own 10th anniversary handset, iPhone X. According to The Bell, the Galaxy S10 will boast the same dual curved edge-to-edge infinity display, in 5.8 inches and 6.3 inches for the S10 and S10 Plus, respectively. Samsung will purportedly embed the fingerprint scanner beneath the glass, forgoing the rear-mounted sensor used on the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S9. Interestingly, this technology is also rumored for the Galaxy Note 9, which is set to launch this summer. Last year, Samsung debuted its new dual-camera system on the Note 9, before bringing the same technology to the next entry in the Galaxy S series the following year. It is possible the South Korean company has a similar plan for its in-glass fingerprint scanner system. The Bell also reiterates a previous report that Samsung is working on a 3D camera with Israeli startup Mantis Vision. This would be able to detect depth, and could be used for more accurate face authentication, something the company already offers with its Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 handsets. The inclusion of a front-facing 3D camera could also improve Samsung's emoji cartoon avatars that mimics the appearance and facial expressions of the smartphone owner. Samsung could also add more advanced features, like the ability to shoot 360-degree pictures and video, made possible by Mantis Vision's technology. The Bell has a pretty solid track record with information on upcoming Samsung hardware. However, given that there are so many months before the Galaxy S10 is unveiled, it's worth taking this new report with a healthy pinch of salt.